What if I told you, your greatest operating system is staring back at you in the mirror? What if you could upgrade it? Not with code, but with intention. Pause, not with external power, but with internal mastery. We live in an age of acceleration. Information overload. Relentless demands. The world asks for your sharpest mind. Your unwavering focus. Your enduring stamina. Pause, but how do you achieve it? How do you maintain an edge, when everything is designed to blunt it? Today, we pull back the curtain. We explore a path forged not by algorithms, but by primal wisdom. A path embraced by those who seek not just to understand systems, but to master the ultimate system, themselves. Pause, this is about how hackers optimize their biology. Now, let's be clear. We're not talking about anything illicit. We're talking about biohacking. The art and science of manipulating your own biology, to perform at its absolute peak. Pause, it's a philosophy of self-ownership. A dedication to personal evolution. To becoming more. Why do hackers, entrepreneurs, and high-performers pursue this? Because in their world, clarity is currency. Focus is power. And endurance is the difference between victory and surrender. Pause, they understand that the brain is not just a tool. It is the engine. The command center. And like any complex machine, it requires meticulous care. Precise fuel. Optimal conditions. So, where does this journey of biological optimization begin? It starts with the absolute fundamentals. The pillars of human existence. The elements we often neglect, in our relentless pursuit of more. The first pillar, sleep. The foundation of all strength, ***. Sleep is not a luxury. It is a biological imperative. The foundation of all strength. Pause, without it, your brain merely drifts. Your judgment clouds. Your resilience shatters. Pause, every single process, memory consolidation, cellular repair, hormone regulation, hinges on quality sleep. Not just hours. But deep sleep. REM sleep. The restorative cycles. Pause, how many of us truly honor this sacred process? We push. We burn. We sacrifice the very fuel that powers our highest functions. Pause, hackers understand this. They track their sleep. Optimize their environment. Create a sanctuary for rest. This is not indulgence. This is strategic repair. This is the first line of defense against the relentless assault of modern existence. The second pillar, nutrition. Fuel for the high-performance machine, ***. You are what you consume. Literally. Every cell. Every thought. Crafted from your plate. Pause, the food you eat is not just calories. It's information. Signals to your genes. Building blocks for your neurotransmitters. Pause, processed sugars. Inflammatory oils. Artificial additives. These are not merely unhealthy choices. They are cognitive saboteurs. They create static in the system. Drain your energy. Dull your mind. Pause, hackers prioritize clean, nutrient-dense foods. Brain-boosting fats. Antioxidant-rich vegetables. Lean proteins. Hydration, not just water, but structured, mineralized water. Pause, they view their diet as the ultimate programming language for their body. Each meal, a deliberate choice to enhance performance. The third pillar, movement. The current of life, ***. The body in motion, creates the mind in flow. Blood is life. Movement, is the current. Pause, our ancestors were in constant motion. Modern life often traps us in sedentary cages. This is not incidental. It impacts everything. Pause, physical activity, from intense workouts to simple walks, floods your brain with oxygen and vital nutrients. It triggers the release of neurotransmitters that elevate mood, sharpen focus, and enhance creativity. Pause, it's not just about muscles. It's about mental agility. Resilience. The ability to push through perceived limits. Pause, a hacker's biology demands movement. Not just for physical health, but for cognitive vitality. The fourth pillar, mindset. The ultimate operating system, ***. The ultimate hack. The battleground within. Your mental landscape dictates your reality. Pause, stress. Anxiety. Negative thought patterns. These are not just feelings. They are physiological states. They flood your system with cortisol. They degrade your cognitive functions. They steal your bandwidth. Pause, hackers actively cultivate their inner world. Through meditation. Mindfulness practices. Digital detoxes. Intentional periods of silence. Pause, they learn to observe their thoughts. To manage their emotional responses. To prune the unproductive. To cultivate focus. Pause, this is the hardest part. But also the most powerful. Master your mental landscape. Master everything. And the tools, selective enhancements. And then, there are tools. Bioenhancements. Carefully selected. Scientifically researched. Pause, nootropics. Supplements. Technologies that aid focus or recovery. Pause, these are not magic bullets. They are accelerators. Amplifiers. Used with wisdom. Not with recklessness. Pause, they are deployed only after the fundamentals, sleep, nutrition, movement, mindset, are firmly established. They are the fine-tuning, not the engine itself. Pause, always with caution. Always with research. Always with an understanding that the human body is a complex, individual system. This journey, of how hackers optimize their biology, is not about becoming a machine. It's about becoming the fullest expression of your human potential. Pause, it's about transcending limitations. About discovering what you're truly capable of, when you treat your body and mind, with the respect and precision they deserve. Pause, it's about self-mastery. About conscious evolution. About taking control of your own existence in an unpredictable world. Think of the clarity you could achieve. The energy you could command. The problems you could solve. The life you could build. Pause, this is not a distant future. This is available now. To anyone willing to do the work. To anyone willing to question the default. Pause, to anyone ready to hack their own humanity. The choice is yours. Will you let your operating system run on default settings? Or will you embark on the path of relentless optimization? Pause, the journey begins with a single, conscious decision. If this deep dive into human potential resonated with you, show your support. Like this video. Share your thoughts and your own biohacking journey in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel for more insights into mastering your reality. Pause, your evolution awaits.